Hi, this is STEMeetsU. Welcome back to our channel. So, in this video, we will give you a brief introduction of OpenCV. What is OpenCV? And what is the logic behind it? Well, the full name of OpenCV is Open Source Computer Vision Library. It is a cross-platform computer vision library initiated and developed with the participation of Intel. According to the official website, OpenCV is a software toolkit for processing real-time image and video, as well as providing analytics and machine learning capabilities. Users can choose to use it on both Mac and Windows. Moreover, it is completely free. OpenCV can read and write images from scratch, draw an image through code, capture and save videos, process image, perform feature detection, detect specific objects and analyze videos, and determine the direction and the motion of an object. It can facilitate the use of machine perception in commercial goods and to offer a standard architecture for computer vision applications. It also has many well-known uses, such as facial recognition, and there is motion checking, also object detection. Knowing that OpenCV is so versatile, we can't help but think, how does it work? And what is the logic behind it? Well, let's see. Here is a picture. And here goes our questions. Where is the eyes? As a human being, we can point out the location of the eyes without hesitation. We can quickly identify the eyes based on the common sense perception in our head. However, how does the software identify eyes? Well, computers have a logic of their own. Based on the millions of pieces of information in their database, it will first frame the head of the character, like this. Then, using their own logic, they input the concept of eyes in the upper half of the face to the neural network. Using the established logic, they narrow down the identification. Finally, establish contact with the target object, which is the eyes. This is the basic logic behind the OpenCV's image processing. In this case, they used the technique of neural networks, which will be discussed in the later video. Finally, let's see some use cases of OpenCV. They are issuing identity, organizing photos, airport checking and boarding, video game motion checking, sports, medical application, security, parking systems, and finally, machine inspection. In a nutshell, OpenCV is a very efficient and convenient computer vision library. It has a very high recommendation factor. Finally, thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Bye!